Hello everyone, and welcome to my attempt at creating a tornado and safety training video for my husband's company. I was explaining to my husband that we have a project at the end of the year that involves a training video, and I thought it would be nice to update what they have. And so he sent over what Hummert International is using for their companies, which they sell horticultural products, and they have to have an annual safety and tornado and fire safety training. So this particular PowerPoint is what they send. They meet for about 15 or 20 minutes, and you can see it's pretty boring, not many pictures. Although I do like this picture of the building in Earth City. I'm going to grab this and put it into the video. And then basically for the fire section, it just tells you to call 911 and to leave the building, and then explain some steps about using a fire extinguisher, and I thought we could kind of elaborate on that. So what I did to begin with is I created a storyboard and went through and wrote down what I thought would be good for the audience to know, listed out some of the assessments that we were going to be using, and then listed out the topics in the slides so I could go over them with Jim to make sure that I wasn't missing anything. And then with each one of the slides I kind of gave an idea on what it would look like, make sure the colors were right, if there was any kind of narration in there, that it would also be included. Let's see if I can make that just a little bit closer for you. Yeah, you can see some of the scripting that we put in there to help folks, give some context on why it's so important to go through some of these safety things. So as I went through, I developed a presentation through Captivate, and this is kind of what I have so far. It's pretty simple. It's got, the back and next buttons and got some information. It seems a little bit boring. I'm not sure what happened there. There we go. Huh. I'm going to need to work on that slide. It's supposed to have a number of learning objects that come through. But I was going to give a description on what a tornado is and some statistics, and then there would be information that would review what a tornado watch and what a tornado warning is. That works pretty well. I'm very happy with that. And then some quizzes, and so if you would select the wrong answer and then submit, it would give you some remediation, and I need to probably make that so it's a little easier to read. And then if you decided to select the correct information, as far as a tornado warning, you submit, and then it says it's correct, and you can go on from there. And then what I was wanting to do next then was to add some fun to the videos, and so I had used PowerTune previously, and to create a video, and it's pretty cool. I'll play this for you. It's only like a minute long. But I really liked how easy it is, and it's free as long as you allow them to use their, this is kind of a marketing demonstration for them on this particular software. Very, very easy to use. And I decided to use the 5 tips just kind of as a way to prepare folks on what's coming up, and then we'll reinforce the ideas. Snappy little tune as we go through. I love the visuals. Lots of fun with those. And PowerTune actually allowed me to save this as a video and save it to my YouTube channel, so I can pop in it as a video onto the Captivate process as well. So, okay, well, I could use some help then on knowing where to go from here, actually.